Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of speed cleaning motivation. I was cleaning before the babysitter came. We were going out with friends for dinner and I needed to get a few things done before the babysitter got there. So I'm cleaning the kitchen and then I'm also going to clean the kids' bedrooms and their bathroom upstairs because it desperately needs it. And I'm just going to be dusting and all in there. So I hope that you enjoy this video and that it gives you some extra motivation to get some stuff done today. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and that way you don't miss any more of my videos. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning videos. And the question of the day is going to be, what's your favorite room in your house to clean? I love knowing things like this. I don't know why, maybe I'm just weird, but my absolute favorite room to clean is the kitchen, and which is probably why almost all of my cleaning videos I'm showing cleaning the kitchen. I don't know what it is, I just love having a clean kitchen, but I want to know, what is your favorite room to clean in your house? So because my kids were about to eat dinner, they were going to eat pizza, I just decided to go ahead and vacuum around the area from this morning, and then I'm not going to put the placemats and all on my table just because they're about to eat. And now I'm just heading upstairs to the kids' bathroom.
Catching my breath, I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling.
Now I'm going into Gracie June's room, and usually we have her white comforter on the bed, but I had just washed it, and I did fold it and just put it in her closet for right now because I wasn't going to go ahead and pull this off. But usually she has her white comforter, and then we fold the quilt and put the quilt at the end of the bed, so that's why it looks like this.
Deep like an overdose, you're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
And this girl loves to read her some books, so she of course pulls all of them off the shelves. I should be making her come to clean up with me, but I knew that the babysitter was going to be there soon, and since I was filming this, I just would rather have gone ahead and done it myself. So that's why I'm picking up all of the books and putting them on the bookshelf.
Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me.
And all of the kids' toys go in their playroom. They don't really have any toys that stay in their own bedrooms. So Gracie June had brought these in there from the playroom. So I just picked up this basket and put them in the basket to take to the playroom. And then I discovered tons of more books underneath the dresser. And I think that her and her friends did that the other day. So I don't think that was all Gracie June by herself, but it was kind of ridiculous. But I wanted to show you guys this little book right here. It's called Princess Gracie June, and it's one of those Hallmark books that you can get personalized for your kids, and it's so cute. And Kaysen has one too that says Superhero Kaysen or something like that, but Chance's sister got that for them a few years ago, and those are their favorite books. And here I'm about to realize that I used the wrong cleaner on my mirror. I used the granite cleaner, and I had to re-clean the mirror with the glass and surface cleaner. So that's what I'm doing here. And then, of course, after I did that, it felt like it was really streaky, but I'll just have to clean it again later.
Not dead yet, true shit. So why do I worry about what I can't see? I was stressing about money for my rent, but the money that I spent last night with my friends was worth it. Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. So many lights, lights, lights with us tonight, night, night. Don't let them go to waste. Look into my
And now I'm moving on to cleaning in Kaysen's bedroom. And as you can see, Kaysen kind of already made up his bed this morning, but I'm going to fix it a little bit just because I'm already cleaning in here, so it is made up the way it's supposed to be done. But I am super proud of him for making up his bed without even being asked. And then in a few minutes, you'll see me actually make up the top bunk as well. And that's the only thing that I hate about bunk beds is actually making them because it takes so much work. And you'll see I was finding bullets, the little Nerf bullets everywhere in the room too. So that's what I'm showing you if you don't know what those little green things are that I'm holding up to the camera in a little bit.
Don't let them go to waste. Look into my tomorrow's gotta be okay. One moment, one shot. That's all we got. One moment, so many lights, lights, lights with us tonight, night, night. Don't let them go to waste. Look into my eyes, eyes, eyes. It's gonna be right, right, right.
and now I am making up the top bunk, and those are the little Nerf bullets I was telling you about, but this is the last thing that I had to do, so this was truly a speed clean. I was sweating after this. It was a lot of work, and I did it in a short amount of time. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you some motivation to clean or get some other things done around your house or just anything on your to-do list. And if you didn't know, I do have an Instagram account, and I would love for you to go follow me over there and say hi on my comments or in the DMs. I love chatting with you guys and getting to know you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!